Hey everyone, welcome back to Financial Futures. In today's video, we're going to dive into a topic that's been on a lot of people's minds lately: monthly checks replacing Social Security. This includes everything from retirement benefits, SSDI, SSI, survivors, spousal benefits, and even VA benefits. Stick around because I've got all the answers to your questions. Let's get right into it. But first, I just want to thank you for watching. Please hit the like and share buttons below, it really helps get this information out to more people. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We're in this together, especially during these uncertain times. Alright, so what's going on with these monthly check programs? If you've watched my previous videos, you already know I've touched on Guaranteed Basic Income (GBI) programs. They're popping up all over the place, some are even discussing implementing them at a national level. The big question now is, will these monthly checks replace Social Security and similar benefits? These programs are becoming super popular and have gained a lot of traction in the last few years. But are they going to replace Social Security, SSDI, SSI, or even VA benefits? It's a valid question given the current state of Social Security, which faces financial challenges. We know that the Social Security Trust Fund could be fully depleted in the next 9-10 years. Now, I want to clear something up right away: your benefits are not going anywhere right now. You don't need to worry about your checks disappearing tomorrow. But it's important we understand what's happening and what the future may hold. First things first, your Social Security, SSDI, and SSI are safe for the time being. However, it's true that with the financial strain on Social Security, some lawmakers and experts are already discussing what could be done if the system becomes unsustainable. One possibility? Programs like Guaranteed Basic Income may come into play. So, will these monthly check programs replace Social Security? Not anytime soon. But here's something interesting: these programs could coexist with Social Security. You could, in theory, receive both. Monthly check programs and Social Security benefits are two different things, so you wouldn't have to choose between them. Fast forward 20, 25, or even 30 years, could we see a major change? Absolutely. Lawmakers are beginning to recognize that Social Security, in its current form, might not last forever. Maybe we'll see Guaranteed Basic Income or something similar replace it in the distant future. But that's decades away, so let's not panic. Here's something to think about: the rise of AI, automation, and robotics is going to change the job market in a massive way. Millions of people could find themselves without traditional work. This is why some experts are pushing for these monthly check programs sooner rather than later. These checks might be necessary to keep people afloat in the new economy. While we don't expect Social Security to disappear anytime soon, these changes are worth watching. It's possible that in 15-30 years, we could see some type of hybrid system where a Guaranteed Basic Income supports people alongside Social Security, or maybe even replaces it down the road. As always, I'll be keeping an eye on these developments for you, and updating you as we learn more. So don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to stay in the loop. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with friends and family who may be wondering the same thing. Also, drop any questions you have in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Be sure to check out the videos I've handpicked for you, linked down below and popping up on your screen right now. Take care, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.